So why SolidWorks simulation? Well, SolidWorks has more simulation customers than any other analysis company in the market. That means you're getting a thoroughly tested and validated product. And some of the benefits of simulation: increases in product quality, as we said, steering the ship in the right direction early on. Your cost, quality, and performance is essentially established early in your design phases, and it's hard to steer that ship in another direction once you start getting later in the design phases. Fewer field failures. In addition, 100% of simulation users experience time savings due to being able to use simulation to do quick and easy validations. So initially, customers were kind of ahead of the curve. They could differentiate themselves by moving from the drawing boards to 2D drawings, and then the change from 2D to 3D was considered being leading edge, and then eventually, the advantages of developing 3D parametric modeling were seen, so that you can design similar but different products without starting from scratch. And then there was moving into the PC-based solid modeling environment, and then virtual testing with SolidWorks simulation. Each step is going to keep you ahead of your competition to lower your costs and improve your sales. So let's look at a few different industries and how SolidWorks simulation, specifically Simulation Professional, could benefit them. For example, manufacturing equipment. Let's look at fatigue in this case. Manufacturing, repeated cycles, repeated loading. This is where fatigue analysis can come in and be very beneficial. Structural members in a manufacturing environment must be designed for durability, and repetitive loading can present fatigue issues. But many times you need to ship equipment, and you don't want to just consistently and constantly overbuild. In addition, material costs, material weight equals material cost. And let's look at consumer products, specifically electronics. Now we're dealing with a high volume of product, and once again, material equals cost. So let's think about optimizing these designs for performance. Plastic costs, for example, track directly with oil prices, which are extremely volatile. So being able to use optimization so that you can hit your stress and deflection targets while reducing the amount of material usage is going to save you substantial money, especially in a consumer product where we're talking about extensive volumes. Another example that can benefit quite a bit from simulation would be the design and manufacture of medical products. And in this case, let's think about medical products from the drop test perspective. We want to avoid failure of components if they're dropped during the manufacturing process or the assembly process. In addition, what's going to happen with our devices when they're in a care facility and they're dropped. And lastly, let's think about simulation in terms of construction and excavation equipment. And when I think of equipment like this, I think immediately of motion simulation, kinematics and dynamics, sizing cylinders, determining loads and members so that we can then perform structural analysis. And when we have more complex motion events, we can benefit from using Simulation Professional's event-based motion so that we can use analysis sensors to trigger other operations so that we can synthesize our linkages and optimize our designs for power and for function. So simulation is not only going to save you money with your products and increase your quality, but it also allows you to differentiate yourself. By shortening design cycles, you can get to market faster where there's the blue ocean, where there's no other competitors, and you can essentially differentiate yourself from the competition by learning more about your designs early on. An example of a customer that's first differentiated themselves by going from 2D to 3D and to 3D with simulation is AP Racing. And AP Racing designed parts for Formula One cars, and they needed a method to validate their design so that they can make quick design changes. And an interesting note is that over the years engine power outputs have nearly doubled, but the size and weight of their products have decreased dramatically, and they've been able to accomplish this by using three-dimensional modeling in conjunction with simulation so that they can validate every design before they are caught in a physical test loop. So today we're discussing Simulation Professional, and it is a part of the SOLIDWORKS simulation portfolio that you can see is quite extensive. We have sustainability tools to determine the environmental impact of your designs and assemblies. In addition, we have computational fluid dynamics or flow analysis, along with vertical market modules specifically for electronics cooling and heating and cooling industries. Simulation Premium encompasses all the capabilities of Simulation Professional, and then includes nonlinear analysis for things like rubber, plastics, or sliding contact type of events. In addition, composite analysis and advanced dynamics when you're loading as a function of time or a function of frequency. Specifically today we're going to discuss Simulation Professional, which brings optimization to the table, fatigue, frequency and buckling, thermal analysis, drop test, and pressure vessel. In addition, it includes static analysis of assemblies and motion analysis. Within the motion analysis and static analysis realm, Simulation Professional also adds a few features that are only available within the realm of SimPro, including 2D simplification, edge weld connectors, fatigue check plots, trend tracker, event-based motion, the ability to save out our deformed body, in addition the ability to export the analysis deck both to GeoStar and to other analysis tools if you have to interface with other analysis packages and you want to use the ease of meshing and model setup within the SOLIDWORKS environment.